Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Moto G17 Power, and let me share with you how to turn on automatic software updates on this device. So fortunately in this device it's quite easy, because all we have to do is to open the settings, and here let's scroll all the way down to find system updates. And as you can see right here, we've got something which is called Smart Update. So basically all you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher here to turn on the smart updates. Thanks to it, your device will not only check for the updates, but also it will automatically download them and apply them, of course if you're connected to the Wi-Fi, which is great. Moreover, you can customize this. So just tap on the smart updates, and as you can see, you can choose the start time, because applying the update will usually start at night when the device is idle. Basically when you're not using it, we usually sleep at night. So you can choose the preferable period in which you'd like to start the update, or you can choose the custom time, so it's again up to you, and you can use it for all software updates, which is great because, for example, we can use it for the security updates, not only those which are huge. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.